a common condition every nurse should recognize, especially for exam day. Let's break it down with diagrams, memory tricks, and real-life scenarios. Magnifying glass tilted left, what are fibroids? Pushpin uterine fibroids equals benign tumors of the smooth muscle in the uterus. Brain, also called leiomyomas. DNA, they're estrogen sensitive, so they tend to grow in response to estrogen. Woman health worker, common in women aged 40 to 60 years, especially in Black women. Direct hit NCLEX tip. Always think estrogen fuels fibroid growth. Puzzle piece types of fibroids. Artist palette use diagram pushpin type. Location, clinical impact. Intramural, within uterine muscle, distorts uterus shape. Subserosal, beneath outer layer, grows outward, can get large. Submucosal, beneath endometrial lining. Heavy bleeding risk. Pedunculated on a stalk. Risk of torsion, severe pain. Performing arts clinical presentation. Fibroids can be silent or scream with symptoms. Syringe, heavy periods, menorrhagia. Most common. Drop of blood periods greater than 7 days. Confounded base pain during menstruation. Balloon abdominal bloating / fullness. Toilet pressure on bladder or rectum, urinary or bowel symptoms. Red heart, fire, painful sex. Deep dyspareunia. Baby, reduced fertility. Test tube diagnostic investigations. Stethoscope, hysteroscopy. Ideal for submucosal fibroids with heavy bleeding. Desktop computer, pelvic ultrasound. Best first line for fibroid detection. Magnet MRI for detailed mapping before surgery. Direct hit NCLEX clue. Ultrasound equals first choice, MRI equals pre-surgery planning. Pill management based on size. White heavy checkmark if less than 3 centimeters. No distortion of uterine cavity, Mirena IUD. First line if uterus not distorted. NSAIDs and tranexamic acid for pain and bleeding. COCs, combined pills, regulate bleeding, oral progestins, especially cyclically. Direct hit memory hook. Small size, small meds. Warning if greater than 3 centimeters or symptomatic. Stethoscope requires gynecology referral. Same meds may be used based on tolerance, plus. Hammer and wrench surgical options. Myomectomy, preserves uterus, best for fertility. Uterine artery embolization, minimally invasive. Hysterectomy, definitive cure. Endometrial ablation, for small submucosal fibroids. Uterine artery embolization, UAE direct hit performed by interventional radiologists.
Catheter via femoral artery, uterine artery.
Red circle, inject tiny beads, block blood, fibroid shrinks. Brain think, starve the fibroid of oxygen. Kitchen knife surgical treatments. Myomectomy, fertility friendly. Hysterectomy, permanent fix. Endometrial ablation. Direct hit, NCLEX highlight. Only myomectomy helps preserve fertility. Police scar light complications of fibroids. Menorrhagia, iron deficiency, anemia. Infertility, especially submucosal type. Pregnancy issues. Miscarriage, preterm labor. Bowel / bladder effects. Compression. Red degeneration. Painful during pregnancy. Torsion. Pedunculated fibroids. Malignant transformation. Skull red degeneration in pregnancy. Drop of blood when fibroid outgrows blood supply. Collision common in 2nd/3 RD trimester. Direct hit S/S. Severe pain, vomiting, low-grade fever, tachycardia. Person in bed management. Rest, fluids, analgesia. Bell, NCLEX hint. Pregnant plus fibroids plus sudden pain plus fever equals red degeneration. Pushpin NCLEX quick facts roundup. DNA estrogen-dependent tumors. Stethoscope Mirena first line if less than 3 centimeters. Test tube US first line diagnostic. UAE block fibroid blood. Syringe GnRH agonist shrink before surgery. Baby myomectomy fertility. Police car light red degeneration equals OB